This is how you can send an empty message on Messenger. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. Launch your favorite browser, any browser of your choice. Type in blank unicode. Blank unicode. Head to empty characters, white spaces, and blank unicode characters. This is the second choice here. Scroll down. Empty characters. You can use this to send empty messages on WhatsApp. Head to copy to clipboard. Copy to clipboard. You can see it is copied. So right away, we are heading to Messenger. Launch the Messenger app. To anyone you want to send this empty message to, simply tap on the person's name. Simply tap and hold the bar for message. Instead of typing a message, tap and hold. The next option should be paste and clipboard. Select paste and send the message. Send the message now, paste. The empty message will be sent, just like so. So select the person you want to send an empty message to, tap and hold. On the type a message bar, select paste to paste the empty message we just copied. And that is it. This is how you can send an empty message on Messenger. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.